Nimble Storage offers a number of integration points with VMware vSphere. These include VAAI, a vCenter plugin, VM synchronized snapshots, both covered in the vCenter plugin video, SRM integration and iSCSI connection management with Nimble Connection Manager. In this overview, we'll be stepping through an installation of Nimble Connection Manager. Ncm is an optional package that can be installed onto ESXi hosts. The value of this is that it automatically manages connections from the ESXi host to a Nimble array, meaning administrators do not have to manually establish connections to specific interfaces or be concerned about how many connections are made to a volume. Only a single iSCSI discovery IP address is configured on the ESXi host, as shown. Nimble then automatically redirects connections to the actual iSCSI interfaces on the array. Furthermore, if you have a number of Nimble arrays configured in a group with volumes distributed across that group, Ncm can manage path selection across those arrays. Ncm is supplied as a vSphere installation bundle, a Vib. We installed the Vib through an SSH session to each ESXi host, or by using VMware Update Manager. There are a few prerequisites to installing the Vib. These are covered in detail within the Nimble Storage VMware Integration Guide, but the key ones are ESX5 and vCenter 5 are the minimum versions supported. The user installing the Vib must have root access to the ESXi host. Typically a 15-minute interval is required to allow the ESXi host to enter maintenance mode for the Vib install. The host must have access to the internet, or the administrator must download the Vibs and transfer them to a location accessible by the ESXi host on the network or in local storage. We will initially perform an online install of the Ncm Vib. We first need to put the host into maintenance mode. We've vMotioned our virtual machines to the other host to avoid taking any services offline. Once the host is in maintenance mode, we can then proceed with the installation of Ncm. We now connect via SSH to the ESXi host. From the root directory, we then run the following command to install the Ncm package. With this method, the Vib is downloaded directly from the internet. As we can see, the Vib is installed successfully. In most environments, the connection service and path selection plugin will require no further configuration. For our second host, we're performing an offline installation of the Vib. We've previously downloaded the bundle from the download portal. We now need to copy this onto the host so we can then install it using SSH. Once we've put the host into maintenance mode, we again connect to the host. From the root directory, we run this command to install the Ncm package from the directory to which we copied the Vib. We can see the Vib is installed successfully. We now take our host out of maintenance mode and Ncm setup is complete. Thanks for watching. Why not visit us at ng-it.co.uk and follow us on Twitter for the latest information on Nimble Storage. We'll also be adding new video content regularly, so check back soon or subscribe to our YouTube channel for more.